Hey everybody, welcome into my kitchen. It's day 23. Day 23, oh yeah, and it's requested by none other than SWEETPEA ASMR. Oh yeah. Y'all go check her out. She was my first supporter, and now look at her now, content creator, and she is requesting chocolate chip cookies. So guess what? I'm going to be making just for her chocolate chip cookies. Oh yeah. These chocolate chip cookies is going to be made by creaming butter. Oh yeah, 2 sticks, which is 1 cup. We're going to have 3/4 cup brown sugar and 1 cup of white sugar. We're going to cream that all together. Once we get it all creamed together, we're going to add 2 large eggs and some vanilla flavoring. Now I'm using an imitation vanilla, so I always use an extra tablespoon or teaspoon of it. So I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of that vanilla flavoring. And I'm going to beat this until it's fluffy. Oh yeah. Now, we're going to be adding to this 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And y'all know all-purpose flour does not have salt. So we're going to be adding to that 1 teaspoon of sea salt. You'll see me throw a couple dashes in there. We're going to be using baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and baking soda, 1 teaspoon. We're going to get all that mixed up. And when we get it all mixed up, by hand, of course, I'm going to be adding the whole bag of milk chocolate chips. The whole bag. Because the whole bag is about 2 cups. So we're going to be adding the whole bag. And we're going to bake this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Check it at the 20-minute mark. I set the timer originally for 15 minutes, but it had to go about maybe 10 more extra minutes because they are some big jumbo cookies. Oh yeah. So we're going to let them bake, and we're going to pull them out because we want them to be soft. You don't want them to be hard. You want them to be soft, and that chocolate chip melt in your mouth. Oh yeah. So we're going to get into this mukbang. Oh yeah, and guess who's going to get the first big gigantic cookie? It's going to be you, SWEETPEA. Oh yeah. SWEETPEA ASMR. All right, love you, SWEETPEA. Here we go. And if you have not already, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and do it today. Oh yeah, go ahead and subscribe and become family. Become one of my oh yeah babies. Oh yeah. And while you're at it, go over to SWEETPEA ASMR and tell her PromoSTK sent you, because guess what? She has an ASMR channel that you would just love. So tell SWEETPEA PromoSTK sent you. Oh yeah. Now let's get into this mukbang. What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Shallow.
Yeah, Frank, fit to do something, I don't know.
PromoSTK.
Eating good neighborhood, Shallow Christian way.
Hey, you guys, today is Tuesday. It is February 23rd, and y'all know what day it is. It's
Taco Tuesday.
It's a requested meal by none other than, okay, let me say this, y'all, because, you know, she's one of my original supporters, you guys. Now she has her own YouTube channel, reached 1,000, over 1,000, and she's growing. SWEETPEA ASMR. Yeah, she requested chocolate chip cookies, and y'all know I had to go jumbo with them babies. You know I had to go jumbo with the chocolate chips. So we're going to get into this. My husband going to bless it. I'm going to give you, SWEETPEA, like I promised, the biggest cookie. And we're going to get it in. Oh, yeah, baby.
Father, we thank you for last night, everything. We thank you for this big old cookie, Lord. I hope it don't send my blood sugar up too high. In Jesus' name we pray, amen.
Amen. All right, let me give SWEETPEA. I'm going to give you your... Oh, don't forget, Shola, to get you into the water.
So, baby, don't come on here.
All right, SWEETPEA, this is the biggest one right here. I saw it to be the biggest one. And this is yours, SWEETPEA. That's yours.
Well, you need to send it to her.
Everybody say cheese. Say cheese, Frank.
Cheese!
Now I'm gonna take the. Now I'm gonna take the. No, I'm not gonna take the wrapper off this one. This one's yours. So I'm gonna set this over to the side. Let me get mine. Which one you want, baby? Get your cookie. Oh, I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, I'm gonna share this with everybody else. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah,
I'll try this one, I guess.
yeah, look at this. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. Let me show y'all the back. You know I show y'all what you got the back. So the back of the cookie. And this is the front of the cookie. Say cheese, Frank.
Cheese again. Bye, y'all. We for deep.
All right. So let's move these over to the side. I'm put yours back over here, Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea!
Move that thing out the way.
Oh, my husband said move it out the way. I moved it out the way so we could y'all can see.
Them cookies.
All right. He already blessed the food.
I'm gonna take my time, I guess, y'all.
Let me show y'all how it breaks, y'all. You know, guys see how it breaks. It's just so soft. Look at that, y'all. Look. Y'all see that? Y'all see that cookie? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Here you go. Sweet Pea. I know this is not your cookie, but you can bite mine. I didn't break yours. All right, now everybody else, your turn.
It's gonna take me a while.
Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, look at this. My niece, she team. She said, I can show mail me one. I told her, okay. I have sent her a package anyway. Get that outside crunch and that chewy center. I hope you enjoyed this, Sweet Pea. Y'all go to Sweet Pea ASMR and tell her PromoSTK sent you. And hit comment section below. And let her know what you think about. It's chocolate chip cookie.
I'm cold, y'all. I got me rolling.
Because you keep it cold. No, I ain't gonna say you keep it cold. Sometimes you turn the heat on.
I know you don't.
That's why I said sometimes you don't get cold when you turn the heat on. I would be in here freezing.
You need to stop. I ain't not froze nobody. Now, if y'all make my recipe, these make 24 regular size small cookies. And of course, if you want jumbo cookies like these, it makes 5 jumbo cookies. It's good. So I hope y'all enjoyed me baking them. And I hope you enjoy us eating them. Should have had some milk.
Some milk. I got you some 2% in there.
Should have been bad.
And I got my almond milk. Now I know you diabetic, so I'm only eating half right now. But hey, anybody else want to take a bite? Come on. All right.
No, me, I'm gonna eat half of this. I'll eat the other half later on.
But I want to eat it all now. But I don't want to eat it all. I can't eat it all. It's good. It's so delicious. Oh, sure. You gonna get some milk? Y'all know.
I ain't want a lot of it though.
You can't have cookies without milk.
I just want this.
But I got my cold water over here.
When she says chocolate chip, that's exactly what it is. Chocolate chip.
I put the whole 2 pounds. I mean 2 pounds. The whole 2 cups of chocolate. Chips in it.
Every one of my babies in here. They're standing down on there.
Wanna pay you?
No. Right there at the screen.
Go ahead and let them in. I'm finna eat this cookie. Oh, y'all. And it's so easy. It don't take long at all. With these, I just use softened butter and all-purpose flour. Come on. All right, sweet pea.
Bill, you are like you can't run.
Belle, what's going on, Belle?
She act like she can't run though.
You know Red gotta be first.
Boom.
Red always first. Oh, some good coffee to do with, or hot chocolate.
God, be quiet.
Anybody was real cold?
This ain't no food now, Junior. See, look over there.
Hey, you sure don't put no chocolate? Dogs can't have no chocolate.
Bella? Bella? What's wrong with
I
you?
can tell y'all now, I'm getting a sugar rush.
Oh, you better stop it, honey. Look at this dog. Look at this dog licking his darn lip.
That's cool.
I
I didn't realize I would eat this much.
You're finished
I think I'm gonna finish it.
This it. I'm gonna eat that later on. Tonight, that be my little snack.
I'm greedy, y'all.
What?
I'm greedy. I'm greedy.
Well, they know that. They ain't nothing. They ain't no old music today here. New music today, yeah, I must say.
Frank, you drinking that like you drinking coffee.
What?
You drinking that like you drinking coffee.
I'm sipping
Like
though.
it's hot.
It's better when you sip it though. What? You ain't have none of this, boy.
All right. All right, Sweet Pea, this one's for you. All right. Now everybody else.
I'm done Jack Daniels because you don't know that. God.
That's Sweet Peas. That's the biggest one. All Okay. I'm making clean up water today.
Who's there? Hey, Bella.
Bella said she ready to sing. Okay, Bella.
Oh, yeah.
PromoSTK.
In good neighborhood?
PromoSTK.
In good neighborhood.
Sheila Creations Way.
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 In good neighborhood.
PromoSTK. Where my oh yeah babies at?
Where my oh yeah, baby?
Where my oh yeah babies at?
Hey, girl.
Oh yeah. Where my oh yeah babies at?
Oh yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
What you trying to smell, girl?
I know she look at
I ain't get between my legs.
He want you to
Y'all in trouble.
Look at this girl. All right, so I have to run to the store. My niece wants me to get her some potato toppers that they don't have. Y'all know Valentine's Day meal was a meal that I did those huge potatoes, and she just been craving those big potatoes. So she wants those potato toppers. So I told her, well, I'm gonna go to the store. I think they got them at Piggly Wiggly. I think that's where I got them from, Piggly Wiggly. I haven't seen them anywhere else. Not that type. So I'm a mail or something. When I do, I'll throw one of those cookies in there with it for her. All right, y'all. Love y'all. Don't forget, hit that red button, make it turn gray. Subscribe. Subscribe to our channel.
What the mama say?
Oh yeah.
Mama say hit that multiplication.
Yep. Hey, little Bella. We gotta go. All right, bye, y'all. Mama. What's up, Mama? You don't want me to put you down? You know I gotta put you down. I can't drive with you.